Here's how you can simply delete your call history on Facebook Messenger. So first up, open the Messenger app and then select the contact or chat you'd like to delete your call history on. And as you can see, if I long press on this call history, it doesn't give me the option to delete that particular call history. So the simplest way or the easiest way or the most possible way to delete the call history is by clicking on this info button right over here at the top right corner and clicking on these three dots and then selecting the delete conservation or conversation option. That's the simplest way and most likely the only way to delete the call history. So for that particular chat, so you can simply click on the delete conversation button and then click on the delete option. And that's by far the most possible or simplest way to delete your Messenger call history. There is no other option that gives you that particular option to long click and delete. So that's by far the most possible way to delete your Messenger call history. But the downside is that you can actually delete the call history for each or different individual chats. So that's the simplest way you can delete your Messenger call history. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.